guys, I'm Kumar. Hope you all are doing good. Okay, today we are here to learn some fielding practice. Okay, in the previous video we learned some cricket shots, and today we are going to learn fielding drills. Okay. Firstly, before we move on to the session, we'll start with the warm up. Okay, ready? Okay, follow me. Just take a walk around. Just make 2 markers. It should be like 7 to 8 feet away. Make a marker and then just walk around. Take a normal walk. Repeat the exercise 3 times. Okay. This is my third walk. Okay, walk around. Okay, now make some front kicks. Make some front kicks. Good. Front kicks. Okay, now some side kicks. Make some side kicks. Okay, now open up your shoulders and shake. Keep the legs aside. Okay, now interlock your fingers like this and keep it up and take a normal walk. Take a normal walk. Walk around the room. Good. Walk around. Okay, now nice. Okay, now raise your toes and walk on your toes. Bring your heels up and walk on your toes like this. Just walk on your toes. Good. Keep walking, keep walking. This make you stretch your upper body and lower body. Good. Okay, now relax. Now we make a small slow jog. Jog around the courts. Jog. This is the best thing to get your body warmed up. Okay, good. Now raise. Now we start with our high knees. For this, you have to lift your knees high to your hip level and move forward. Okay. From here we jog. Again, high knees. Yeah, once again the same thing. Okay. Now relax, please. Okay, now we keep our hands behind and tap our heels to our hands, which is goes to our hip. Okay. See, like this. Jog. Once again. Jog. Once again. Jog. Okay, I finished with the third time. Now we'll make some slides. Okay. Turn, keeping your left side towards the angle, towards the pole, and we slide slowly, keeping like this. Okay. On your toes. Jog. Again. Keep your knees bent and move. Once again. Good. Yeah. Now we change the direction. Turn yourself to the opposite side. Okay. Once again. Good. Nice. Keep doing. Good. Now relax. Okay. Now we'll make some forward lunges. Okay. For this, take a long step forward. Okay, and start like this, and slightly bend your knees. Hold for 2 seconds. Then up. Now keep your left leg forward. Bend. You should not touch the leg to the ground. You should be in the 90-degree angle and up. Again change. Good. Okay, now jog. We'll do the same exercise 3 times. Good. Yeah. Jog. For the last time. Jog. Okay, now relax. Relax. Come between your bones. Relax. For the best relaxation, you just need to bend forward, swing your hands up and down like this. When you go up, breathe in. When you come down, breathe out. Okay. Okay, relax. Okay. I hope you have relaxed your body while taking breath in and breath out. Okay. Now, hence we are going to do the fielding drills today. We need our upper body to be stretched a lot. Okay. So firstly, we rotate our neck. Rotate your neck. Good. Clockwise. Now, reverse. Good. Okay, now sideways. Sideways. Now up and down. Okay, good. Now rotate your hands forward. Both the hands together. Okay, now reverse. Now reverse. Okay, now up and down. Up, down. Yeah, okay. Now hands on your shoulders, fingers on your shoulders. Now rotate. Rotate it forward. Yeah, now reverse. Yeah, now sideways up and down. Okay, now bring it forward. Now alternately up and down. Okay, relax. Now hands up. Spread your legs wide a little bit. Slightly bend down and touch the ground. This is to relax your lower body muscles. Okay. Okay, now up. Slightly bend. Hold your toes. Hold your toes. Good. Okay. Now just hold your knees and bring it up like this. Pull it up. Pull it up. Good. Now your other leg. Good. Okay. Now pull it forward like this. Nice. Now change. Now change. Good. Relax. Now pull your feet back. Okay? Like this. Now change. Pull your right leg. Good. Now relax. Now relax once again, bend and relax. Okay. I hope you are warmed up nice. Your body is warmed up nice. Okay. I just give you 10 seconds of time. Go have a sip of water and come back. While having water, you sit down, have water and come back. To show what is your perfect hand position to hold the ball, to catch the ball. Okay. I see someone catching the ball like this, opening up their fingers, palm and everything, and they may easily lose the ball. So what we do is we learn how to catch the ball in our safe hands. Okay, when the ball comes from your upper hand, so you have to open up your fingers. Okay, just keep it like this. Okay, behind to make you safety so that the ball cannot go inside your fingers. So this will be your position when the ball is above your chest level. Okay, you have to just grab the ball. When the ball is coming to you, you have to just pull your hands back and grab the ball. Don't hold it so that the ball come and hit your fingers and fall down. So that you have to cushion the ball. Okay, and the next thing is when the ball comes below your hip level, you have to just hold your fingers like this. Okay, for the upper hand, you just made it like this. Below your hands, just open up your fingers wide, your thumb too, and both the small little fingers should be interlocked. Okay, then when it comes to your low level, you just keep your hands down and just hold the ball. Just make sure that your ball comes to your middle of your hands. Okay, I'll show with the ball. Firstly, we have to improve our eye contact with the ball. We have to keep our eye always on the ball so that we can catch it easily. Okay, firstly, we start with the eye catches. Okay, just throw the ball up and catch. This is to improve your eye contact. Okay, with the ball. Just throw the ball, catch, throw the ball above your chest level and catch, above your chest level and catch. Throw it with your left hand. Good. This is to improve your throwing and catching both together. Nice. Always keep your eye on the ball. Good. Always keep your eye on the ball. Don't lose the ball. Good. Good. Relax. Now, what we do is, now we just throw the ball with our right hand and catch the ball with our left hand. We'll do it for 15 times. Okay. To improve our single hand catch. Okay. See like this. Throw, catch. Throw with your right hand, catch with your left hand. Throw with your right hand, catch with your left hand. Good. Keep doing this. Keep doing this. Keep doing this. Good. Nice. Come on. Come on. If you are so easy in catching this, you can just throw the ball hard to the wall and catch. Throw the ball hard to the wall and catch. Okay? Good. Ready? Keep throwing. Keep throwing. Good. Always have to keep your eye on the ball. Good. Relax. Now, I'll change. I throw it with my left and catch it with my right now. Okay? See? Like this. Okay? See like this. Good. 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 Nice. Nice. Good. Keep doing. Keep doing. Keep doing this. This will improve your catching practice a lot. Good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Nice. Nice. Keep doing this. Good. Good. Okay. Now relax. Now we learn how to make some upper catches using the ball, right? Now we'll do some lower catches using the ball. Okay. For this, just stay away from the ball, about 6 feet far from the ball. Okay. Slightly bend your knees and throw it to your hip level and catch it when it comes to your hip level or below your hip level. See, like this. See, throw, catch, throw, catch. You have to throw the ball underarm to your hip level. Okay. See, like this. Good. Good. Keep eye on the ball always. Keep eye on the ball always. You open up your fingers. Open up your fingers and push on the ball. Okay. See, like this. Good. Good. Keep doing. Keep doing. Keep doing. Keep practicing. Keep practicing. Now, firstly, we catch with the both hands. Okay. Good. 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 Come on. Keep doing. Keep doing. At least we will do it for 20 times. Okay. 20 times. Push on the ball. Good. Push on the ball. See? You just stay low. When the ball comes, you have to drag your hand back and push on the ball, holding the ball. Okay. Good. Keep doing. Keep doing. Keep practicing. Keep practicing this. Good. Good. Now, we'll change our drill now. We'll throw it with your right hand and catch it with the left hand. Single hand catch. Okay. See? Right. Throw it with your right. Catch it with your left. below your hip level. Okay, below your hip level. Good. Keep doing this. Keep doing this. Good. Nice. Nice. Keep practicing. Keep practicing. Good. Now I change. I throw it with my left and catch it with my right underarm. Okay. See like this. Throw, catch. Throw with your left, catch with your right. Throw with your left, catch with your right. Come on. Keep practicing this. Keep doing this. Good. 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 Keep doing this for 20 times at least. This will improve your catches. Good. Nice. Good. Now relax. Now relax. Put your ball down. Put your ball down. Slightly bend forward. Swing your hands up and down. And relax. Relax like this. Good. Relax slowly. Okay. Now I hope you all have got how to take a upper catch and a lower catch. Okay. Now the main thing in cricket is fielding. We'll just move on to the fielding practice now. I'll just show you the perfect position how to hold the ball, field the ball when it is coming to your ground level. Okay. When the ball is coming to you, just make sure that you have to keep your eye on the ball always and you have to come forward. Okay. Slightly keep your left. If you are the left-hander, you can just keep your right leg like this. If you are right-hander, keep your left leg like this and bend your knees down close to your front foot and you hold the ball. This is for just the ball doesn't hit your body and move away. Okay, it will not bend and go inside your body. If you come close like this and hold the ball, if any mistake goes wrong, the ball can just easily move in between your legs. So what we do is this will be a perfect position. Come forward, bend and hold the ball. Okay, ready? We'll do it once again. We'll do it once again. Just 1, 2, 3 and bend. This will be your fielding position, fielding sit up. Okay, keep your leg down, bend and keep your fingers down so that you can watch the ball and catch the ball. Okay, I'll show it with my left hand behind. Okay, left leg behind. See, come forward, keep your left leg and hold. There should be no gap in between your legs so that ball may easily get inside. If it's a powerful shot, make sure that your feet are closed like this. Okay, and the ball misses your hand and it can easily hit to your legs and stop there. Okay, now we'll use the same technique using the ball. Okay, for this just pick the ball, underarm low level and just hold. Okay, ready? Start. We'll keep doing this. Hold. See, keep doing this. Keep practicing this with the right leg 10 times. See, throw and come down. Don't throw the ball hard. Okay, that will be very quick for the beginners. Okay, so firstly throw it low and sit and hold the ball. Throw it low, sit and hold the ball. Good. Always keep your eye on the ball. Okay, keep your eye on the ball. Good. Throw it low and hold. Throw it low and hold. Okay, now we'll do with the left leg behind. Okay, throw the ball and sit down and catch. See, sit down together and catch the ball sideways. Okay, throw the ball, sit and catch. Throw the ball, sit and catch. Good. Keep practicing this. Keep doing this. Keep doing this. Good. And do it 20 times. Okay. Keep practicing this. Good. Again. Good. Keep doing this. Throw the ball very low so that it may come back to you in the ground level. Okay. Good. Throw it down. 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 Good. Nice. Now you got to know how to field the ball when it's coming to your ground level, right? Okay. Now we'll move on to the same underarm ground level fielding when the ball is pitching to you and coming back to you. Okay. For this, we just make. There is one small change. Okay. We cannot sit down and catch the ball when it is pitching to us and coming. Okay. So what we do is we bend and hold the ball when it is pitching and coming. If the batsman is hitting a powerful shot, it's coming one bounce to you. You cannot just hold like this. It may hit your body. So what we do is bend, and make sure that we keep our eye on the ball and we catch it with our hands. For this, we'll use the same technique with the ball. Okay. Just stand in the position and bend your knees slightly and throw the ball to the wall so that it comes back to you in one bounce. Okay? Like this. See? One bounce. See, one bounce. You have to keep your eyes always on the ball. Okay? Make sure that you are not going forward to hold the ball. Okay? See, just it should come to you in one pitch. Okay? Good. Keep practicing this. Keep practicing this. Good. Nice. Okay, we'll do it once again. Keep practicing this. At least 20 times. Come on. If it's very easy to you, throw the ball hard and catch. Throw the ball hard and catch. If it's very easy to you. Okay? Good. Keep doing this. Keep doing this. Keep doing this. Good. Okay, nice. Now, we'll do it more challenging. Okay? What is just take a marker. Take one marker, keep it close to the wall, about 3 feet away from the wall, and you stay behind the pole. Okay? Just, we'll do one thing. See? I'll just come to the right side of the pole, I throw the ball and catch it in the left side of the pole. Okay? Again, I throw it to the right side, move and catch. See? Move and catch sideways. Okay? Ready? See, I move, I throw the ball. Okay? I'll just show you in this angle. I keep the cone there. I stand right side to the cone. I throw to the wall, cross, and I move and catch. Again I throw, I move and catch. Okay? Practice. Okay? Keep practicing this. Keep practicing this using the wall. See? I'm standing right side to the wall. And throw it, catch. And catch. See? Catch. Keep practicing this. Keep practicing this. Good. 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 Move sideways and catch the ball. Good. Good. Keep doing this. Keep doing this. Nice. Good. Keep practicing this. Just keep your eye on the ball. Good. Okay, now relax. Relax. Slightly bend forward. Swing your hands up and down. And relax. Relax. Okay, take a normal walk. Walk around. Walk around. You know this was a very hard drill for the beginners. Okay, now walk around. Okay, now please. Now we just throw the ball, cross, and we just move and we field the ball, which is coming to us in one bounce. We do the same thing in our lower arm catch. Okay, lower body catch. What we do is stand right side to the cone, throw the ball to your hip level, move to your left, catch the ball below your hip. Ready? See? Like this. Okay? See? Like this. Keep doing this. Keep practicing this. Last time we did it in one pitch, one bounce. Okay? This time we make it a catch practice. Ready? We'll do it once again. Good. Good. Keep moving. 20 times at least. 20 times. Good. Good. Keep practicing this. Keep doing that. Keep doing that. Good. Nice. Okay. Now our upper hand catches, upper body catches. Okay. Above chest level. See. Throw, move, catch. Throw, move, catch. Throw. Same thing. See. throw, catch. Good. Nice. Nice. Keep practicing this. Keep practicing this. Good. Now relax. Keep your ball upright. Keep practicing all these drills more and more to improve your fielding. Okay? This will improve your fielding a lot and lot. Keep in mind, use all these points which I said you in the session. Okay? Now, after the session, we need some cool down, right? Now we will move on to the cool down session. Okay? Just bend forward, swing hands up and down, relax, breathe in and breathe out. Okay, now take a normal walk. Walk around. Take a normal walk. Good. Walk around. Shake hands and legs. Shake hands and legs. Good. Shake hands and legs. Yeah, okay, now relax. Okay, now slightly bring your hands up. Bend forward, touch the ground, don't bend your knees, and hold your toes. Okay, hold your heels. Okay, now bring your right hand to your left shoulder and pull it with your left arm, left forearm. Okay, this is to relax your shoulder muscles. Good. Okay, now change. Nice. Okay. Now bring your right hand forward, left hand forward, and pull your fingers with your right hand. See like this. Pull. Good. Again change. Pull. Okay. Good. Now relax. Okay. Now we sit down. Sit down. Keep our legs forward. Bring your hands up. Slightly bend forward. Hold your toes for 5 seconds. Okay, now spread up your legs and bend forward. Hold the single leg. First hold your right hand. Now change to your left leg. Okay, now relax. Swing your legs. Swing your legs. Sideways. Okay, now wiggle it up. See? Up and down. Move your knees up and down like this. Good. Now lift your left leg. Use your right leg part to tap your calf muscles. Okay? Good. Now change your right leg with your left leg. Okay, good. Now bring the both legs together. Swing it up and down. Swing it up and down. Okay, nice. Now relax. Now relax. Okay? Yeah, we finished with the full session. I hope you all have learned something in this session, right? Keep practicing all these drills more and more to improve your fielding. Okay, good. Okay, I hope you all have enjoyed the session. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay.